Guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. This is really weird because I'm in my bathroom. It's finally time to redo this bathroom and I'm so excited because this bathroom is terrible. I'm gonna take you guys with me to do this bathroom renovation. So when I upload this video, it's gonna be like months from when I'm filming it right now. But I am so excited because this bathroom, it's been like this since we moved in, which was years ago. I mean, it's only been a few years, but still, it's in terrible shape. I'm embarrassed to show you guys how bad it is, but I really want you guys to get all the details on it because it's gonna be really cool when it's done, I'm hoping. So here behind me is the shower. It's terrible. I don't even want to show y'all. It's got like some grimy stuff in it from, I've tried to bleach it. It doesn't matter what I do to this bathroom. I can't make it look decent. So just bear with me, y'all. So over here is where we keep the laundry. And then on this side, there's a really weird cabinet. So this wall back here, you know, it's just odd. So we're gonna move stuff around in here. The toilet's probably gonna go over here. And then behind me, the shower, we're gonna make it all the way across, hopefully, then move the toilet. So we'll see. I'm hopeful. I really hope this is gonna work out. And not to mention the ceiling. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? So the rain comes through there. It was really full and then my husband had to poke it, and then now it's just starting to crack, and you can see like all the damage and stuff. Yeah, so needless to say, this is going to be starting from scratch. New paint, new drywall, new ceiling, new shower, new toilet. All of it's gonna be new. I may even replace towels. I mean, you know, like, let's just start all over because this bathroom is a mess. And then over here, I've got all my makeup and just my hair straightener, my eyeshadow palettes, eyeliners, tissue, brushes. And then in this corner, I've got my cleaning supplies. It's bad. And then look at this sink, y'all. This teeny tiny sink. This little door, you know, like this handle, it's really cool, I guess. You know, it's old, but it's just, it won't really stay shut very well. And it's so tiny, I can't fit anything on here. This mirror is the only thing that looks nice, and it's dirty right now. Sorry, you guys. I'm actually not a dirty person. I promise. You can ask my family and my friends. But this bathroom, I've kind of just given up on it because it looks bad, y'all. Over here, I've got more crap that is just gonna be gone somehow. The toilet is over here. There's also a window that is gonna have to be replaced. So that's gonna be a job in itself too. We're slowly replacing the windows in our house because our house is very old. It was built in the 50s, so it needs a lot of renovations. And the dreaded shower. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's so bad. I'm sorry. I'm so embarrassed, but I just want to show y'all like how bad it really is. And this was here like previously when we moved in. So y'all take a good look because this is all about to be gutted. And it's not gonna look as awkward. And I don't even know what this is. It's like a foamy thing. So it's, you know, it's not practical at all. And I don't like this color. I think I'm gonna go with like a dark gray color. Guys, this light up here, like it's, you know, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna try to help my husband with as much as I can, and I'll try to document as much as I can. So let's do this. Yay! It's finally time. All right, so pretty much everything is out of this bathroom and it's nice and echoey. So there's still this mirror left in here and a couple other things, but it's really weird seeing it so empty. It's demo time. My husband has given me the lovely task of throwing this terrible toilet paper holder away. So it's going in the garbage.
Like some insulation board or something.
This one might be the one. What do you think, babe?
If that's what you want.
So this is what the bathroom looks like currently. It's a mess. I helped a little bit with the demo, but my husband did a majority of it because he does this all the time. So he tore out the shower. It's pretty much gone. In the ceiling is gonna be all new everything. The flooring is probably gonna come out tonight. And then nothing much going on over here except for you can see the shower. Well, used to be shower. I think that is it right now. He's also tearing this wall out. There was like this ugly wall panel thing here. I don't know what it was for. It's just weird. But that's torn off, and actually it was like this. It was some weird foam thing. I don't know. But all this is going. Pretty gnarly looking in here right now. Today we're dealing with pipes. Got a couple in. Oh, this one I'm waiting. Got most of the flooring up today. So that's good. Jack, did you help? Did you help? Oh my goodness. Day 1000 of the bathroom renovation. Actually, I have no idea what day we're on, but we have made some progress. My husband has made some progress. He's been doing most of the work. I just help when needed. Let me show you guys what we've done so far. Sorry for the terrible lighting, but this is what we've got so far. We've got our bench in the shower. He's built that, and electrical and plumbing is pretty much done. He just has a little bit left of that maybe. We've got the windows in. Those look so nice. They're gonna be in the shower. And then he's got the ledge here for the shower. The rest of the plumbing done. We had to move it over here. So the vanity will be right here. And then over here is going to be the toilet, and then a built-in cabinet. And of course you can see the shower over there where the shower head's going to be. We have a little bit of drywall in. We put it in yesterday, so got to get the rest of that in. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. All right. right, you guys, so this is the latest update. We've got some drywall in and we have got power. Got the electricity done. Gonna work on the shower next, but most of the drywall is put in. Actually, all of it's put in because this right here is actually gonna be a cabinet. And so it's actually gonna go inside this storage area, so we actually don't need drywall for that. So everything else is done. And then we're gonna put a light up here. And then of course that's where the vanity light is gonna go. Starting to work on the shower floor. It'll be this really awesome pebble tile. And then he got the shower shelf partly done, so windows are completely sealed. Toilet in. Seems to be working good. Ew. Hey guys, so we are on day, I don't know what day we're on. It's almost been 2 years since the renovation started, and I am so excited because it's almost done. And I am actually cleaning the shower right now. I mean, it's just so gorgeous. I can't even believe it's my shower. Sorry if there's the background noise. I've got this fan going because it's still summer and it's hot. But yeah, like we're moving along and we still have to put the drawer fronts on. So there's a lot left to do, but yeah, it's going really well actually. And I've got the vanity behind me. Got to put the drawer fronts on. The countertop did not work out. It was kind of a bust. So now we're gonna have to try to order one from somewhere. But yeah, we got the shower door in, all that. So I've been trying to film everything, but I keep forgetting, and sometimes I'm not home when my husband works on stuff, and I don't really help him a lot because I don't know how to do this stuff. And so I just have to like help him when he needs help, and whatever, you know, he needs assistance with, I can do my best. But I've learned so much, and this has been crazy. Like, we thought this was gonna be, you know, so much fun renovating an old home, right? Guys, oh my gosh, like what were we thinking? No, I'm kidding. It's, you know, now that it's close to the end, oh my gosh. It's been a long 2 years. It's been so long, and I'm just ready. Oh my gosh, I'm ready for it to be done. We have a faucet up here and the sink. I'll show y'all. It is a bowl sink, but the faucet, sorry y'all, this is from the shower. It's kind of gross. This faucet I guess I ordered it from China like years ago. I was like, oh, this faucet's so gorgeous. My husband could not get this thing to work. Like, it just, I don't think it's made for the US, but we did actually get it to work. It's really cool. It's so loud though. I don't know what that's about, but may end up replacing it because it's not tall enough, and we have like a piece of wood back here holding it up, and we're gonna have to figure something out. So I don't know. Yeah, so everything is still in process, and the lights up. Still got to put lights on this side. This one up here does not work yet. That one's got to be finished. And then the fan for the bathroom. So yes, we're getting there. So stay tuned. There's more to come. Ta-da! This is it, you guys. Oh my word. I can't believe that it's actually finished. Well, almost. There are a few more details that we will have to finish up. Like the drawer down here has to be fixed. And we've got some stuff over here in the corner. And that's for the shower. We'll have to seal that. And I think there's more silicone we need to add, but I'm not sure. But it is all functional and it looks awesome. I am just so happy with it. My husband built all of the cabinets in here, and the countertop he put on here too. And the mirror we got from Amazon. I think the light is from Lowe's. Sorry guys if it's loud. It's that fan. All right, I turned it off so you guys won't hear the fan anymore. But the fan is really nice. It has a Bluetooth speaker on it so I can listen to all my tunes while I shower, which is really cool. And I really like the bottom of this shower floor with the stone. It just feels so good on my feet. This was such a good choice for the tile. I'm so happy with how this came out. There's a bench over here. There's a bunch of stuff on it of mine, but the windows we added, as you guys saw. Well, I say we, my husband did like all of this. We've got switches over here. This one's for the fan. And then this one's for the light above here. So there's some gold paint to go with the Versace theme. And I had these nice deep drawers over here I keep towels in. And then washcloths in the bottom one. All of my lovely cleaning products that I'm obsessed with. So yeah, this is it, you guys. Like, it's all done. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this long renovation video. Let me know your thoughts on it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.